Fantastic opportunities. With a bit of hard work, developed my career. I've been in the salmon farming sector all my life. So next year we plan to have the upgrade in Q2, so that's 2022. We're adding on floor space, so ultimately we're taking out most of probably about 80% of the equipment we have currently and putting in with new equipment, so it's up in the throughput. Our capacity will move up to be one of the highest throughput salmon plants in the world, if not the biggest, and will really make jobs a lot easier, a lot better, and really cement this facility way into the future and staying for a while on the Blar Mhor site. We are developing, we are investing in this site. We're here to stay, it's sustainable. Moving forward, the opportunities are going to be incredible based on the technology we'll have here. We're going to create a really nice working environment for people, and we're going to have a lot of new technology here which will excite a lot of people and mean that we have some very, very good jobs moving forward.